because you are unable to respond to their points. You are making personal points on them. You will not respond in this frivolous manner.
Namaskar. I, N.L. Swami from Republic Media House is here with you to disclose some truth which was under carpet too long. But our members of this channel worked so hard to find this because we only deals with money. Truth. We only deals with truth. So today, the nation wants to know when will rising unemployment be solved.
क्या हुआ सर?
Cut.
क्या हुआ सर? कट?
Who the hell has kept this paper here?
सर मैं रखा हूँ सर. क्या हो गया?
When will rising unemployment be solved?
सर मेरे को लगा ये.
Why?
सर मेरे को लगा ये इंडिया का बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है तो ये टॉपिक होना
Be
चाहिए.
professional. You have to know
नहीं
what
सर.
topic we are
हाँ
going
सर
to
मैं
discuss.
समझता हूँ लेकिन सर इंडिया
Is
का
this?
सर इंडिया का बहुत प्रॉब्लम.
Can TRP will come from this topic?
सर क्यों?
No,
सर
don't
क्यों नहीं
argue
आएगा
with
सर?
me. Be professional.
सर
Don't
सर
You are fired.
क्या सर? सर ऐसे मत करो.
Our Bharat wants to say to the nation that we are not sitting like other officials or media house. We are going to cover the most crucial evidence of SFR case. That Ria's driver was accused with chain snatching at Dehradun in 2003. I would like to remind our viewers in 2003 Dehradun had Congress Road. Let's go to Mr. Bala. What are your views on this?
Let me remind you that in 2003, L.K. Advani of the BJJ was Home Minister. This is clearly an attempt by the BJJ to throw dirt on our party.
How can you say that, Mr. Shende? Oh, I forgot. You two were charged in that ex-scam last year.
No. Congress has and will serve the people. Don't forget
Excuse
that
me.
your party was involved in the wheat
Excuse
scam in
me.
2010. You are bringing up 2003 after 17 years. It is
Mr.
completely
Shinde, Mr.
illogical
Shinde,
to bring
what's
that up.
logical or not? Don't teach me. No. I will not listen you. Don't teach
No,
me. I will not
after
allow you.
Listen to
Mr.
me.
Shinde,
Listen to me.
After
No.
17
I
years.
know why he is saying these words. Because he is an ex-scammer. He is also a
No.
criminal. So why will a criminal not
No.
take the criminal side?
No. It is completely illogical. And how do
wait.
Excuse me, Mr. Arnab.
Wait. Listen to me. Keep quiet.
Mr. Arnab, excuse me,
quiet.
please.
Yeah, Mr. Gyani. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Gyani. Say.
Yeah, I was saying we were supposed to talk about GDP drop and
What?
other issues that are affecting our nation right now
Shut up.
due to the COVID pandemic and all.
How dare you to
The
say
issues
these topics
that-
here? How dare you to say this topics here? No. Demuting.
These are the
Mute.
How dare you take the side of a criminal, Mr. Shende? You were an ex-scammer.
You listen,
One
okay?
second.
You listen.
Mr. Shinde, all the members of your party are scammers and defaulters. If you want me to bring up more, I remember in
Mr.
2007, your
Mr.
party
Goswami, you invite me to your channel and you do not even let me speak? Clearly this channel has no standards. You're doing this for the TRP, aren't
it's
you?
illogical
And
news.
we're all familiar with the backroom meetings with the BJJ.
You said something.
Okay?
You said something about taking money. One second. The viewers of the news know me. And don't ever, Mr. Shinde, never, ever again
Standard.
say like anything of those kinds to me.
Savika Kumar blabbering from the newsroom. And as always, we will not interview migrating laborers, poor, doctors and policemen. Instead, we will interview a celebrity who spends his lockdown amidst all sorts of safety and comfort. Joining us here at the show today is Mr. Kaif Ali Khan. Hello, Kaif. Welcome to our show. Could you please take a seat?
Yeah, thank you very much, Savika. I didn't really wanted to come, but money matters.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely money matters. I understand. Anyways, moving ahead, people in these difficult times, instead of caring about their families and nation, desperately want to know how is Cav spending his lockdown. Does he miss going to the shoots, back to his normal life, or does he enjoy the time?
Well, not much of a difference for me because previously too I used to be at home doing all these things, basically jobless. But now when I stay home, people call me a Zimmedar Nagrik, who is staying home and saving lives.
Yeah, the Zimmedar Nagrik tag.
Yeah.
So, how are the kids spending their lockdown?
Well, Lara couldn't get the alcohol, but somehow she manages with the alcohol-based hand sanitizer to get high. And Tamur is busy doing nothing, but still he will get all the attention from the media.
Yeah, definitely. Hashtag TRP.
Yeah.
So, I would like to know about your opinion on the pandemic, the difficult times that we are facing, the corona times.
Well, I think it's a war against germs. I suppose in these times we need to maintain social distancing and continuously sanitize our hands.
Oh, is that Temur? Is that Temur? Is it him?
Yeah, it was Tamur, but
Is it
has nothing to do
Cap,
with
could you please bring him on the show? Maybe our viewers would like a glimpse of
No, that
Temur,
is
or
not
maybe
possible.
he could just come and give a flying kiss, or
Please
maybe
don't
just
force me.
dance or juggle some knives for our benefit. Please, could you bring him on the show? Hashtag TRP?
Yeah, let me check for once.
Yeah. No, we'll not interview an economist on GDP drop. Keep that for the times when we'll be short of content. Yeah, we'll interview Baba Ramdev. Coronel is going to be launched. Arrange for that. Yeah.
Well, Tavika, he can't come on the screen right now. He's currently busy at the party.
Well, we can't quibble with that, and that's an important place to be. Nobody has the
Yeah, I
rights to interrupt him there, not even us, unlike the last time. Moving ahead, does Temur miss the paparazzi?
No, I don't think so. Why would he miss paparazzi? He has just learned to speak Papa,
Yeah, true. I think we would wrap up with the show here, and
Yeah,
thank
you
you.
are.
Hello and very good morning. This is News 18 and you are watching Non-Stop 20, where we give you quick lowdown of the top 20 stories of the day. Here we go.
A woman fell in the hospital and told the hospital staff to call the ambulance.
Weed has been declared as the only cure for COVID-19.
Rahul Gandhi found his missing dog, but fortunately the dog refused to go back to him.
Sara and Karthik unfollowed each other on Instagram due to which Yumna created as degrees.
West Bengal government has extended the lockdown till 14 November.
Saif said that Sara is not her daughter after knowing about her drug addiction.
After the drug incident, all the Bollywood celebrities wanted to join the parliament.
Economy of nation is inversely proportional to beard of PM Modi.
Now, Dubai would be considered as the new refugee center for the Bollywood.
Verna gifted a girlfriend to his baby boy on the occasion of his 6th birthday.
A shoe fell from the sky in the village of Haryana, and people believe it as a blessing by God.
Priest raises hand to bless the bride, but she gives him high five.
Scientists remarked that the state population to double by 2040 and babies to plane. In a village Ramnagar near New Delhi, a man married to his dog in
Today we welcome our viewers for the most important interview of the decade by Team Chaudhary.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night. Today myself Devi Chaudhary once again present for you all, taking interviews of most dedicated big celebs and the most VVIPs of the country to discuss important issues in the favor of our nation. Today here with me is the most important person, the MIP, and the most expensive also, none other than our beloved Home Minister, Mr. Sumit Shah.
Hello, do you hear me? Hello.
Yes sir, we can hear you sir. Far away sir. थोड़ा दूर.
आप ठीक है?
Yes sir, yes sir. Thank you for your precious time sir. Thank you,
Welcome,
sir.
welcome, welcome.
So as you know, sir, I will be asking directly the questions which will be directly related to the welfare of our society, sir. The first question to our beloved, hardworking, talented, sir, खाना नहीं है sir अभी. Sir, it's rolling, sir.
Sorry, हाँ, sorry. नहीं खा रहा.
I will not waste my time by appreciating you. And people say that you are really partial and biased, but I really don't think so because I am too. So leaving it. The first question which I want to ask you, sir. The first question, sir. Sir, do you carry purse or not, sir? Sir, batua.
Yes, there's a very funny story behind it, you know. When I was kid, we were very poor, so the question of having a purse was not there. But you know, later when I became rich, and now I'm rich very much, I still don't carry purse, and this is because, you know, I get my money in checks now. A huge and loads amount of money. I don't need to carry purse anymore. But you know, still when I need to carry very small amount of money, you know, like the money you gave me to come here, I think I should buy a purse. Yes.
It's very saddening to know that 10 lakh rupees is a very small amount for you. But anyways, just forget that. Sir, next question which I want to ask you, sir. Just when I was coming to interview you, sir, my driver just asked me that if you are going to interview our beloved Home Minister, just go and ask him that. And it's very interesting, my personal question also, sir. Sir, do you eat apples or not, sir? And if yes, if you eat apples and you are a human being like us, so you eat it directly or by cutting into slices, sir?
Oh yes, you know, as I told you, I was a very poor kid. So there was a nearby apple tree. We used to go there, steal apples and eat. And that taught me how to steal votes, and somehow that led me to jail. Anyways, anywhere I went, I used to eat the apples directly. Yes.
Yeah, it's quite understood that you eat apples directly as you are eating our country directly by corruption. Oh, okay, so just leaving it at that side. Sir, next question I am really sorry to ask you, sir. I am really sorry to ask you because our channel also have to pretend that we are quite concerned about COVID. So the question is very direct, sir, that are your government is concerned about COVID or not?
Oh yes, we are very much concerned about the spread of coronavirus, you know. There's a very simple solution to it, but nobody understands that. Not even the doctors and the scientists. I'll tell you the solution, and this is gonna help a lot of people. So first of all, tell me, do you know what are computers?
Yes, obviously, sir.
Do you know computers contain viruses and all?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me what's the other name for COVID-19?
Sir, it's coronavirus, sir.
Do you know where I'm getting at?
No, sir.
I expected that. Now listen to me. The computer virus has virus at the end, and so has the coronavirus. So technically speaking, both the terms are related. And if you catch a computer virus, you will catch a coronavirus. So in order to stay away from the COVID and the coronavirus, you need to stay away from the computers and laptops.
Sir, you are getting right. So wrong, sir. Sir, you are at the wrong point, sir.
Today's youth is surrounded by computers and laptops, and that's the main
Sir,
reason.
we are meeting in computers, sir. There is desktop in front of you.
I know more than you. Please trust me. I've studied from abroad. And
there is desktop in front of you. What you are saying?
What again?
Sir,
What?
there is desktop. There is desktop in front of you. Sir, where are you going, sir? Sir.
I'm not finished.
Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, instead of reporting about the spread of it, the loopholes in medical facilities of our country, the problems faced by our citizens, and the drop in GDP due to lockdown, the media has been focusing on bringing irrelevant topics to the forefront.
We have seen the Riya Chakravarti case being covered in almost all the national media channels for almost 3 months.
India's GDP drop of 23.9% was overlooked by the media to telecast what Riya Chakrabarti had been having for lunch in jail.
And when someone from Tibet mentions about the GDP drop, an anchor from Times Now replies that if you want to know about GDP drop, then read newspapers, don't come here.
The media didn't become the voice of the migrating laborers, poor and middle class people who were actually affected in the lockdown, but showed no hesitation in interviewing Babas and celebrities.
Instead of educating people about the virus, its impact on health, economy, and various other sectors, and about the problems faced by doctors and scientists while making the vaccine, it focused on advertising Baba Ramdev's COVID fighter coronel, all for money and TRP.
Every day our media interviews a politician having least or no educational background in every aspect. That includes COVID's origin, cure and its spread. These are the same mantris who thinks that COVID can be prevented by organizing big Jansabhas, various protests and most of all by wearing their mask below their nose.
Bringing up vague and unimportant things to the public has been a trend for a long time, and the news channels doing all of these things to bring spice and drama to their channels to have high TRPs.
Media, please show us what the nation actually wants to know. For drama and spice, we have Ekta Kapoor.
The popular game Among Us is basically a bunch of manipulators trying to frame an innocent person just using theories and opinions. And where have we seen that before? That's right, media.
Let's end this with a small story. In a village, a devil once turned into a shiny diamond. The villagers gathered enticed by it and said, "We are now rich." The devil disappeared in the dark night. The villagers were not aware and what happened where the diamond went. Started blaming each other for theft, but the devil's job was done. The devil fabricates a fake reality, lures you into it and disappears. This is what sensational propaganda, fake news and paid media does. Don't be lured by the fiction of promised national glory and past cultural superiority, targeted vilification or radicalization. These are the devil's fabrications to disrupt harmony.